Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Questco employee account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in Questco employee login. Then click on the link on the top. Then you'll come across this official page. Scroll down your screen. Now, if you want to log in as an employee, then click on Employee Login option. And if you want to log in as a client, then you can click on Client Login option. Now, click on the Login option. Here, type in the username associated with your account and your valid password. If you've forgotten your username and your password, then click on Forgot Username and Forgot Password link respectively. And if you have not registered yet, then click on the register link. After you've entered your details, click on the login button. And that is how you can log into Questco employee account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.